Hello YouTubers and welcome to another episode of Frugal Finance. So we're going to have a quick look at the midweek pie. So we haven't done this for a little while and we've got some news. So the pie itself has suffered a little bit, the dividend pie that is. It's gone down to about 1.29% return. It actually got down to almost no return at all. But actually it sort of recovered a little bit from its highs only about a month or so ago of about 6 or 7%. So a bit of a shame, but being a dividend pie, the dividends carried on coming in. So overall, I've calculated out that this £58 worth of dividends is about 1% against the value of the portfolio. So actually, if you then add that to the current return, it's more like a kind of 2.30. So just adding the extra percent there for the dividends, which obviously it doesn't take into account, not that I'm aware of, maybe someone can prove me wrong, I don't know, but this money just gets reinvested back into the pie. So obviously it's as far as the pie is concerned, it's a cash investment. Some of the holdings are doing okay. Some of them are down a little bit. 3M's down about 5%, AT&T down about 5%, LTC Properties 14%. Sadly, Caterpillar down to just under 10%, Cardinal Health 8%. That's recovered not too bad after its stock split. And then you see there's a spatter of odd ones. Penning Group, nearly 12% there, 4% for Ricket Becknesia. Not sure if that's how you pronounce that. Anyway, cracking on, PBG Industries about 7%. So yeah, we won't go through every single one and analyse them all, because this is kind of almost like an ETF in the sense that it sort of doesn't really overly matter what the individual stocks are doing, within reason, because obviously we're looking at the overall return here. But some of them are given quite nice returns. Apple about 7%, 6% for Procter and Gamble. General Dynamics about 6%, Bank of Montreal 5.5%, 6.5% for Chubb, Lowe's Company 10%. Other ones that sort of stick out further down the bottom here. So you've got Nucor around about just shy of 12%, T Rowe Price just shy of 10%. Sherwin-Williams here, just over 8%, and so on and so on. So yeah, and you see here when I rebalanced, we moved Shaw Communications, was removed from the pie, so we had zero holdings in that, although it was up. I think it was removed from the pie by the person that created the pie, and I tend to generally follow them. So hopefully, over time they will adjust it, and I'll tow them. It's a bit of a journey, really. Obviously, these are quite well established companies, generally speaking. So the other thing that we've done in the pies, we actually copied an ARC Innovation pie. So you can't buy the ARC Innovation ETF that I'm aware of in the UK. I couldn't find it on any trading platforms. Probably somebody tell me where you can get it. But this is a rough copy of the ARC Innovation. Obviously, it's not going to change as and when they invest money, withdraw money and switch things around, which they haven't been doing lately. But I thought it was a nice little pie just to start as a kind of side project. These are obviously not really dividend paying stocks as a general rule of thumb, but what they are is a growth stock. So as you can see, we only started that last week and we're already up almost 1%. So that's given quite a nice return there. So hopefully that gives you a nice little update on the pies. Dividend pie wise, obviously, as you can see, we've had some dividends. If we then go over to the history, you'll see here we have had various dividends ranging from 99p to 46p, £1.1. So they're starting to add up. They're generally around about the sort of 50p mark. They range from like kind of 10p all the way through to just over £1. But I would say on an average thing would be around about 50p. So not too bad. If we get 50p a day, every day for a whole month, 5 days a week, it's around about £10, because obviously we're only talking Monday to Friday. But yeah, it's starting to come along. Anyway, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Don't forget, these are literally just me sharing my journey with you. I'm not a financial advisor, so you need to make your own independent decisions on things. Don't just copy me, think I'm giving advice. I'm not giving advice. I'm just literally just sharing my portfolio on YouTube with you guys. Till next time.